Do not stop doing it until good become better and better become best. My name is Bunty Parsania. In this video, I am going to discuss syllabus of GATE Computer Science, expected weightage of each subjects, and how smartly you prepare all the subjects. Before going further in this video, I want to tell something to you. GATE is not just an exam, it is more than that. If you prepare for GATE exam, definitely you crack it. Apart from this, you will gain your knowledge, you will upgrade your skill set. So, don't think GATE is just exam. Think like that. If you prepare for GATE exam, then you learn so many things. Now let's come back to our main story. In this video, I am going to talk about detailed syllabus of GATE Computer Science and expected weightage of each subject. Now first subject is General Aptitude. General Aptitude will come for a 15 marks. Here you can see the syllabus of General Aptitude. Now our GATE paper is a technical paper. In our technical paper, Aptitude was added. So in our GATE paper, you cannot expect GATE level of question. I mean that in our Aptitude section, you will get a very basic question. If you have little bit common sense, then definitely you solve all the question. If you prepare well for Aptitude, then definitely you will get 15 out of 15 marks. So don't miss a chance to earn 15 marks, because this is a so easy section. You will solve Aptitude question like this, because in our Aptitude very basic question will come. Second subject is Engineering Mathematics. From Engineering Mathematics, you will expect 5 to 8 marks of questions. Here you can see the syllabus of Engineering Mathematics. In Engineering Mathematics, mainly 3 things will come. First is linear algebra, second is probability and statistics, and third is calculus. From Engineering Mathematics, you will expect easy to medium level of questions. I observed that from linear algebra, very easy question was coming. So if you learn linear algebra once, then definitely you will solve each and every question of GATE. Now, from calculus and probability, I observed that medium level of question were coming. So you need to pay little bit attention on these two. For that, you need to solve more PYQs compared to linear algebra. If you pay little bit attention on Engineering Mathematics, then definitely you will score more marks in Engineering Mathematics. So don't miss these sections. Third subject is Programming and Data Structure. From Programming and Data Structure, you will expect 13 to 14 marks. Now here you can see the syllabus of Programming and Data Structure. From Programming, you will expect very easy questions. If you learn a programming, then definitely you solve all the questions. From a data structure, you will expect medium level of questions. Now, if you want to survive in IT industry, then definitely you need to learn Programming and Data Structure. If you want to say, I am a computer science engineer, or I want to work in the IT industry, then definitely you need Programming and Data Structure. So I suggested, don't think you prepare Programming and Data Structure for GATE exam. You think like that. If you want to survive in IT industry, then definitely you need to have a knowledge of Programming and Data Structure. Programming and Data Structure came everywhere. You go anywhere, they will definitely ask Programming and Data Structure. If you learn Programming and Data Structure, then definitely you solve the question of Programming and Data Structure. Fourth subject is Algorithm. From Algorithm, you will expect 5 to 8 marks of question. Here you can see the syllabus of Algorithm. I observed that from Algorithm, medium level of question was coming. In Algorithm, so many people think that dynamic programming is difficult, but I want to tell you something. Dynamic programming is not difficult if you learn properly. So I suggest that learn dynamic programming properly and make a joke of dynamic programming. From dynamic programming, difficult question not coming. I mean that you will expect medium level of question from dynamic programming. If you learn dynamic programming properly, then definitely you will solve the question of dynamic programming. I want to add some more lines. If you want to pursue your career in IT industry, then you need to have a knowledge of programming, data structure, and algorithm. If you have knowledge of these 3, then definitely you will survive in IT industry. Apart from this, you will get better opportunity compared to others. Suppose you attend any interview of IT industry. Then a company is a service-based company or a product-based company. Mainly they will ask programming, data structure and algorithm. If you learn these three subjects in very high depth, then definitely you will get high salary job. So I say that don't prepare programming, data structure and algorithm for just GATE purpose. Prepare like it is an oxygen for IT industry. Now come back to our GATE exam. From programming, data structure and algorithm, you will expect 15 to 20 marks of question. If you prepare this subject well, then definitely you will get a maximum marks from this section. I observed that from this section, easy question was coming. So focus in this section because you will get maximum marks from this section. And this section is a core computer science section. So focus on this section. Fifth subject is TOC. TOC means theory of computation. From theory of computation, you will expect 8 to 10 marks of questions. Here you can see the syllabus of TOC. In TOC, you will learn how theoretical our computer can work. And I observed that from TOC, very easy question was coming. So you can easily solve all the question of GATE computer science. So focus on TOC, you will easily get 8 to 10 marks from TOC. Sixth is compiler designing. From compiler designing, you will expect 4 to 5 marks of question. Now so many of you have doubt, sir, why from compiler designing only 4 to 5 marks of question was coming? Because compiler designing is a small subject. From small subject, they will ask less questions. And here you can see the syllabus of compiler designing. I observed that from compiler designing, very easy question was coming. But compiler designing question was lengthy in compared to other subjects. But question was very easy, easily you can solve the questions. Now I suggest that first you learn TOC, then you learn compiler designing because both subjects are interconnected. So for compiler designing, you need a knowledge of TOC. That's why I suggest that first you learn a TOC, then you learn compiler designing. 7 is DLD. DLD means digital logic. From digital logic, you will expect 5 to 6 marks of question. Here you can see the syllabus of DLD. Now I observed that from DLD, very easy questions were coming. So easily you can solve each and every question of DLD. So I suggest that you solve the PYQ of DLD, then definitely you will solve each and every question of DLD. Now, if I want to write GATE exam, then in an exam, first I find DLD question because I knew that I will solve each and every question of DLD. That type of easy question will come. So don't miss DLD section and don't miss any single marks in DLD. 8 is DBMS. DBMS means Database Management System. From DBMS, you will expect 8 to 10 marks of questions. Here you can see the syllabus of DBMS. In DBMS, you will learn that how efficiently data is stored in database and how you minimize redundancy. I observed that in DBMS, medium level of question were coming. Sometime from SQL, not too difficult, but little bit difficult question were coming. But if you practice well, then definitely you will solve the SQL questions. So I suggest that focus on DBMS as well. 9 is CN. CN means computer network. From computer network, you will expect 6 to 9 marks of question. Here you can see the syllabus of CN. By looking syllabus, you will feel that CN is a too lengthy subject. Yes, CN is a lengthy subject. From CN, you will expect easy to medium level question. If you practice well, then definitely you will solve the question of CN. Now, if you learn CN, then you can understand how messages are transferred between source to destination. If you want to go in Cisco, then also CN is required. And in GATE also, CN have very good weightage. So learn CN properly. And one more thing I observed that in CN, length of question is very high. Means in CN, lengthy question was coming. By looking question, don't think that it is a difficult question. And I observed that when length of question is high, at a time, solution of that question is very easy. So read the question properly. 10 is operating system. from operating system, you will expect 10 to 12 marks of question. Here you can see the syllabus of operating system. I observed that from operating system, they were asked medium level of question. From deadlock and process management, they were asked simple question, but from synchronization, they were asked difficult questions. But if you practice well, then you can solve most of question of operating system. If you learn operating system properly, then you can understand how our mobiles and laptop can work, because in our mobile and laptop mainly we are using operating system. 11 is district maths. If you are new to computer science, then this subject completely new to you. From district maths, you will expect 10 to 12 marks of question. Here you can see that syllabus of district maths. One thing I observed that from district maths, they were asked medium level of question, and mainly from graph theory, they were asked medium level of question. I mean that from graph theory, they were asked medium level of question, and apart from graph theory, they were asked easy questions. So if you practice well, then definitely you score good marks in district maths. For graph theory, I want to tell you one thing. 60% of computer science problem can be converted into graph. So learning a graph theory is so important. And district maths having a good weightage. If you want really a nice rank, then you need to learn district maths and you need to practice well. 12 is CO. CO means computer organization. From CO, you will expect 10 to 11 marks of question. Here you can see the syllabus of computer organization. Most of people think that CO is a difficult subject, but I observe that concept of CO is not difficult, but from CO they were asked difficult questions. So if you want to do well in CO, then you need to focus on questions. And one more thing I want to tell you, before learning CO, first complete digital logic, because some of the digital logic concept used in CO. So first learn digital logic, then learn CO. In this video, I discuss everything about subject. You start your preparation from easy subject to difficult subject or difficult subject to easy subject. This decision purely depend on you. But most of people start their preparation easy subject to difficult subject. Now, if you want really nice rank, then you need to prepare for every subject. In a subject also, you need to prepare every topic. If you want really nice rank in GATE exam, then you need to prepare for everything. But if you have less time, then I suggest that first prepare easy subjects, so that you will get maximum marks from easy subject. Then if you have time, then you prepare for difficult subjects. Now I want to say something from my bottom of heart. If you genuinely like my videos, please share my video with everybody and please subscribe to my channel. Suppose you share my video with someone, then you create good impact on that person's mind, because you share something useful. Here you are not going to share any comedy video or any non-serious content. You are going to share a serious content. And to making this video, I put lots of effort behind the scenes. So please share my video in your all social media and please subscribe to my channel. And one more thing, do comment on my videos. If you like my videos or not, my content is helpful or not, do comment on my videos, because it gives me motivation to work more harder. To watching this video till now, doing like, shares and subscribe to my channel. I am so humble and grateful to you.